In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a project to your portfolio on Wix, an extremely user-friendly and powerful platform for showcasing your work. Get comfortable as we navigate this process together in a few easy steps. We initiate this process from your site's dashboard. Here, take a moment to locate the Portfolio tab, positioned conveniently on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once you find it, proceed to click on it. This action will lead you straight to the Portfolio Manager. The Portfolio Manager is essentially your command center for managing all your projects and collections. Here, you can view everything at a glance and make necessary changes as you wish. The next step, and probably the most exciting one, involves adding a new project. To do this, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the Manager screen, and you will discover a button labeled Add Project. A single click on this button sets you into project creation mode. Once you've initiated the adding of a new project, you'll be prompted to provide some details about the project. The first piece of information required is the title of your project. Take time to enter a relevant and catchy title that accurately signifies the essence of your project. Thereafter, you are required to write a description. This is your chance to elaborate on your project, offering necessary details that capture its scope, purpose, and achievements. Now, here's a wonderful little nugget for those who are not so comfortable with crafting words. Wix provides you an AI option to generate a description for you. In addition to the title and description, Wix further facilitates adding some basic information about your project. It's not mandatory, but you can choose to provide specific project details such as the type of project, date, and location, if applicable. With the basic information all set, now comes the visually appealing part, adding media to your project. Simply click on Add Media, or if you are more comfortable with drag and drop, the choice is yours. Upload your project-related images, videos, or other relevant media directly from your computer. Alternatively, you might want to import media from your Wix Media Manager. Just a little heads up, the first image you add is automatically assigned, becoming the cover image of your project. Finally, once all the details have been furnished, take a deep breath and click Done. Congratulations, you have successfully added a new project to your portfolio. It will now be visible on your portfolio page. Remember, the advantage of digital content is that you can always edit it. If you wish to make further customization to your project, you can simply return back to the Manage Projects section and tweak it as necessary. And that's it, folks. Now that you know how to add a new portfolio project with Wix, explore this wonderful feature to showcase your best work on your website. Keep adding and updating your portfolio to target more opportunities.